Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a new public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Scroll down your profile page to find the Public Profile section. If you see Create Public Profile, tap it to begin the process. This feature allows you to share content with a wider audience beyond your friends list. To be eligible, your account must be at least 24 hours old, and you need to be 18 years or older. You also need at least one friend who has added you back. After tapping Create Public Profile, you'll see prompts explaining what a public profile entails. Read through these, then tap Continue and get started to confirm your choice and accept the terms. Once created, you can customize your public profile. Tap the pencil icon to add a profile photo, a cover photo, and a short bio of up to 150 characters. You can also choose to display your subscriber count. Use the Profile Management section to add saved stories or highlights, showcasing your best content to a broader audience. Having a public profile increases your visibility and allows you to connect with a global audience, helping you build a personal brand. You'll also gain access to analytics, providing insights into your content's performance and audience engagement. Remember to consistently post engaging content to grow your reach. For more great deals and the link to Darn Tough Socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.